How to one name on Facebook. First download this VPN app called OpenVPN, and this is the icon looks like. Open the app and search Indonesia. Type Indonesia and find good server with higher EMPs the better speed. Wait, and choose best server. You can connect it now, and the ads will pop up. After connecting, open your F app. This is the name, and we will change it as one name. Go to setting and find account center. Like this, log in your Instagram account to set up name. You can create two. Why Indonesia VPN server? Here. After logging your account, go to name, and you can do one name now. Click continue to set up, tap the name. Click Facebook and go to name. Erase all your name, and think good name. I choose Ace in first name, he. In last name, just type the spacebar 3 times. Click review, change name and check it. Tade. The name now is changed into one name. Just back and refresh your profile feed. Check this as views as public. For more Facebook tutorials, subscribe now. If you have video request, comment it below. Bye.